Let's compare Spellbinders Christmas Blooms die set with Sizzix's Holiday Greens mini die set. You can see with both that there's a variety of different dies to create the greeneries. The Spellbinder set has 15 different dies in the set, and the Sizzix set has 11. Both of them come, like I said, with a nice large variety, and I love the fact that there's so many different pieces to choose from. I love using these on cards to create some extra texture and dimension, and these die cuts, when you die cut them out of cardstock, can be used as is, or you can ink them, or you can glitter them. There's so many different ways to add some extra texture to them. So you can see right away there's a little bit of a different scale to some of the dies, whereas the little holly leaves that I picked up first were about the same size as the Spellbinders Christmas Blooms holly leaves. I will often use these sets. I will mix and match between different sets because I like the looks of the different greeneries together. I often use these both for holiday cards and create kind of little floral clusters. This one here is just using the Christmas Bloom set. This one here has the Holiday Greens set from Sizzix. And of these two cards, the non-traditional one had the Holiday Greens, whereas the Merry Little Christmas one had a combination of the two because I really like the poinsettia from the Spellbinder set and how tiny it is.